Howdy. How y'all doing? It's me, Kosher Stunner here, and I just figured I'd open my PlayStation camera for the PlayStation 4 since I bought it separately from my PS4 because they don't come with them. Or at least the package I got did not come with it, so you have to buy it separately. And GameStop, $59.99. Power Up Pro. Yeah. That's a nice little small looking dealio. Take a look at the box here. PlayStation camera for PS4. Around here we have PlayStation camera contents. PlayStation camera, camera stand, instruction manual. It's nice, it includes the camera. Have the back here. PlayStation camera. Broadcast yourself and play with PlayStation camera. Become a community sensation by adding picture-in-picture video of yourself and gameplay live streams. Let's see what else. Good picture of that. Let's see here. Bottom one here interacts with a light bar on the DualShock 4 wireless controller, creating experiences only possible with a PS4 system. Enables facial recognition technology for logging you in easily with the PlayStation 4 system. Integrates 4 microphones to allow voice navigation of the user interface and voice chat with online friends. Wasn't that special? Enabled games, 2 highly sensitive wide-angle lenses. Precisely track the position of multiple players and allow their body movements to control games. We'll see about that. PlayStation camera functionalities require connection to the PS4 system. You're telling me I can't just buy the camera and play it alone? Compatible with PlayStation 4 hardware. Okay, let's open this sucker up. I went ahead and cut these so I didn't have to bother with it on tape, but I have not opened it yet. Besides that, not that it matters, but see if I can do this out, sitting the camera down, and a whole bunch of stuff fell out. Okay, let's see what fell out back here. There's the stand. Looks straightforward. I'll open this little thing here up. Nice bubble wrap. A good taste of bubble wrap. There goes your, where it mounts, I imagine, on one side. And there's a sticky pull adhesive strip. PlayStation logo. And solid piece. Oh, never mind, it moves. It bends. Apparently there's hinges. Yeah, see? It bends. There's metal screw plates up under here, and there it goes. I imagine that goes probably something like this on your TV to mount on it. I don't know. I've not even seen one in action yet or anything. And of course you get your instruction, safety, precaution, PS4, PlayStation camera instruction manual. And I imagine all that's left is this here camera. I'm not going to take USB looking like, it's not a USB, it's like a big USB connector. Not a regular size that goes to the back of the PlayStation. There you go. Like a firewire looking thing. Open this thing. Let's flip it around and not put my hand on the lens. But there she blows. Get some better light over here. Try to do this outside so it has some decent light. But yeah, there we go. Don't mind the messy car. But yeah, there's your camera. Microphones appears all over, like right there. Speaker microphones, probably microphones. Yeah, I think it said it had 4. There's 4 microphones. 1 camera, 2 microphones, camera, microphone. There goes your mounting part right there. It goes to that mount, and I do believe this tilts. Yeah, see, you can move it right there. Pretty neat little bar. I don't know how it works yet because obviously I just opened it. But yeah, I have the Kinect for the new Xbox One, and it's pretty cool. I've just used it to log on with so far and set up and that kind of stuff. But it works, and you know, does voice commands. Pretty cool. And I didn't know the PS4 did voice commands, so I'm gonna be interested to see how it works compared to the Xbox. But yeah, this is definitely a smaller unit though. The Kinect, as you can see in my unboxing of the Xbox One, it's a big ass unit and has its own cooling fan, the Xbox does. But this works good. It's a nice little compact size, nice and shiny. But yeah, well, that was opening of PlayStation Camera for PS4. If you want to know anything else about it, feel free to ask me, comment, like, subscribe. This has been a Kosher Stunner production, and yeah, hope to see you next time. Have a good one.